Here we come to the elevator at the Apple Store at Highland Village in Houston, Texas. It's an Otis Gen2 MRL traction, 2 stories. Let's ride, here we go. This is an Otis Gen2 MRL traction elevator, a two-story traction. This is not typically common for an older type Otis elevator, but on newer elevators from the 2010s, it's pretty much like that. Unfortunately, the indicator does not work. Let's get a cab view real quick. This elevator is not open to the public, but a big thanks to the employee for letting me ride. So please do not trespass without authorization.
Second floor. Going down.
Thank you so much, sir.
Of course.
You don't mind if I go for one more ride, just so I can mainly just get a better detailed video. One more is good.
Yep.
All right, let's go up to 2, and I hate to have to talk loud because there's copyright music playing and there's a situation. YouTube has some sort of serious situation with copyright. Okay, well, going back down, we'll end there.
Going down.
Thank you, sir, for taking me on this elevator.
And you taught me something new today as well. I appreciate that.
First floor.
These are your fixtures.
After you.
You can go ahead, sir, and as I get a good view of these fixtures over here, and with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and watch it close. With that being said, there it goes, and that is gonna be it.